Welcome to Martial Arts Village, where the warriors rise. Achua Moses Ventures, where the spirit never dies. Boxing and Taekwondo mix fitness too. We train hard, we train smart to reach our goals anew. Martial Arts Village, where the journey begins. Discipline and honor in every move we make. With every punch and every kick, we'll find our inner strength. Martial Arts Village, where our dreams will take flight. In the boxing ring, we face our fears. With every punch, we shed our tears. Taekwondo forms a symphony of movement and grace. Makes fitness exercises to keep our